What's up guys, Eric coming at you out of the blue today with another fish filleting video. Today it is a Sauger. So Sauger is different from walleye. I have posted a video that tells the difference between it, but otherwise the filleting process is pretty much identical to a walleye. So I just start with my first cut in behind the gill plate, then I'm going to do a cut along to the anal vent and then the anal fin here. So first my cut's coming right up to that fin, the vent there, and then kind of opening up, and then you can kind of glide your knife just over top of the fin, and that's all you need to do. This side is now ready to be slabbed off, so kind of taking your knife, a nice sharp knife really helps here, and you can just glide through those bones just like that, and there we go. That's a fillet. I'm going to set that off to the side and repeat on the other side here. So another cut right behind there, and just kind of aiming my knife down towards the spinal cord here and just kind of working my way through the rib bones. There we go. Probably should sharpen my knife a little bit more, but there we go. That's one done. Now I'll show you the deboning process. So once you get this far, you'll have the rib cage left. So just like in a lot of the other videos, kind of doing a cut downwards just in behind the ribs. Once that cut is done, then you can kind of lay your knife flat and slowly scoop your knife upwards. There we go. Right underneath those rib bones. That can be thrown out. And then what's left is you have these little pin bones, which if you take your finger or rub your knife or whatever, you can actually feel the pin bones. They kind of point this way, so if you run this way, you can feel them point into your finger. So there you go. They stop right here. Slice just there, there. Then you can slab it. And all that's left, you just cut your little notch out, and that is a completely boneless fillet. Repeat on the other side. That's how you do it.